Welcome back, Daydreamer. In today's episode, I'm going to show you a cool product that's new to me that helps make wiring LEDs much easier.
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com.
So, as promised, we are going to be reassembling Char's zgok today. I have repainted everything with a red clear coat, and then I have repainted completely the pieces that crackled on me that, just weren't usable anymore. Included in that reassembly process, I'm going to run a wire through the entire kit and show you guys how I'm drilling out and kind of planning to go through all of that, as well as showing you a really cool, stay tuned, it's going to be at the end, a new product. It's new to me because I am not good at soldering. If you are a very experienced solderer and you've soldered a lot of circuit boards and things like that, this is going to be an old bag. Just, skip this one, I guess. But for everybody else who is just a hobbyist, it'll help your soldering be very quick, very clean, and very sound, actually. A good connection. Let's get to it. All right, I've got trays full of parts here. A little bit of a... Well, I don't know, it could have been a blessing in disguise. I noticed that some of the pictures of the zgok, he only has 3 claws on each hand and not 4 as I had built the kit. I do have the parts to build the 3-fingered hands, and I'm going to have to because somewhere along the lines of having this set up and drying and just not used while I had to repaint and resurface some of the other parts, 2 of them went missing. So... yay for happy accidents? Let's get this built. It's going on the other leg. We're gonna rewire this. Even I like the metallic red with the red overcoat. It was more of a magenta, and I did the clear red coat over it, and it brought out a lot more red here. I like this tons better than I like the way that this came out, but we're gonna correct that, sort of. It's gonna be a measure of lots and lots of weathering. These limbs should be easily replaced for the kit, and I feel like this is a very, very color accurate char red from a lot of the stuff that I've seen, because it has almost like a little bit of an orange tint to it, and then if it's really bright blue lights, like it takes on those things, so it seems like a really true red. I am missing one of the flaps right in here. No idea what happened to it. It was lost in painting, probably because I airbrush it far too high PSI for most people, as I've been told. And then, yeah, I'm gonna have to redo these and make the different hands, so these 4 clawed hands are no longer gonna be used. So that stuff is kind of rolling around in here for the most part, little portions of this that hold on to the nubs there and make the hands. So that will come a little bit later, and then I'll use these for our claws. Yeah. Okay, so what I have done here is went ahead and took the top of the head off. I know I'm going to put the LED light in. I want to get all of this settled so that I can do some of the decals, hand painting, and weathering. I am going to put on one of these little things. It's going to be on negative side. Let me get some of this goop on it here. Okay, this stuff right here. All right. What this is supposed to do is this is flux, okay? Some soldering paste, and it's supposed to make sure that this binds very, very well. I've had poor luck in the past when trying to solder, because I'm not a really great soldering person. I don't know. I'm not a good solderer. I just don't do it often enough, and I could severely use a new tip on this thing. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, that seemed to work really, really, really well, so that's good. All right. Slide this over the top. And we can just kind of get really close with the soldering iron a little bit there. Coat that down, because that soldering job went really, really easily that time. So I think that's what I was missing. Like, that is super well and tight. So yeah, okay. Somebody who is a complete novice and not really a great soldering iron user, okay, this is who this is coming from. If you, from just this is my first time using this stuff. If you get some soldering flux wax compound and dip your leads into it, hit it with a little bit of solder, the solder is going to suck right up to everything and make your solders super nice, even if you are a buffoon like me. Check that out. Go get some. Oh. Yep. There we go. Pew, pew. All right, so yeah, all right, now that's working. We can actually start working on trying to put some more decals on this guy, and then of course we got to redo the hands and then do some weathering. Really excited about the weathering part. That is coming up. All right, so to give you a better understanding of what I was trying to show you there, this is the flux. That is a wonderful product. I don't know. I'm really not super skilled with soldering. I use a crap soldering gun that should have had the tip to it replaced a long time ago. I've had a lot of issues with getting everything together, and then once it's soldered together for other projects, things start shorting out. This stuff is basically bonding with the molten liquid solder and cleaning, okay, or reacting in some way to help adhere to a clean surface from the wire to the lead. Basically, it's a magic product, okay? This is a game changer if you're going to wire your own LEDs into a kit. If you like this episode and you want to see more things Gunpla, or if you just want to keep up with the rest of this build, please like this video, subscribe, hit the notification so that you know when I put up new videos. We got Whip Wednesday coming up. We got these videos up here for more stuff from me. And until next time, Daydreamer, I'm Justin, your ragtag Daydreamer, and I'll see you real soon.